Okay, today I'm gonna be do unboxing again. Unboxing stuff what I bought in sportdirect.com. So I'm gonna show you what I bought inside the shop. Okay, the first item we bought is this one. This one is 119 ringgit. They have a mega sale. They said this is already big sale. Is 119 ringgit. 119 ringgit. Okay, let me show you what inside. What inside this bag? This bag is content with this one. This is flipper. You using work in sea. Is it a work? No, inside the sea, not
Swim.
Oh, for swimming. There are two, or not only one. It's a pair. Two. And this one. So this is forget air. I think when you're swimming inside the sea, you use this one. So this one going in the top of the sea to get some air.
Snorkel.
This is snorkel. And let's show you where's the other one. The third is this one, goggle, wearing like this. So all three items 119 ringgit.
Sports Direct.
Sportdirect.com.
Bukit Bintang.
Oh yeah, in Bukit Bintang. So I think it's very good deal. If you're renting, maybe you get 20, only one goggle. You don't have the flop. Depends. So the third time we bought, and second time is Jamie. This is okay. It's nearly dark, not nearly dark. Already getting dark.
Jamie waiting to open a bottle of wine.
No, not up story. The light is not very good. So if you see like a dark, that means dark already. So the third item is Jamie's short swimming costume as well, color blue. I show you later if you're wearing them in a beach. And this one, I don't know how much he bought this one. Oh, they have a mega value.
No, 2 for 89.
Oh, they said dua. Nina, 2 pair. The 2 pair.
89.
2 is 89. 2 89 ringgit. Berbak Loika, is that worth your money or no?
Very good value.
Oh, Jamie said very good. Okay, I show you mine. So this is mine. I bought for swimming. The in front is like this. Okay, like this. It's like a t-shirt, but this is a rubber. So this one is quite expensive. They don't have a sale.
You notice everything I buy in the sale. Everything Young buys next season. 179.
I think this one 100.
79.
This is 179. So mine is more expensive than Jamie's shorts. I think mostly women's stuff is expensive than man's stuff.
And you'll buy it more often.
No.
Those shorts will last me 35 years.
So this is my shorts. They are not matching. They're not
They
matching.
are.
They are not
A pair.
a pair. They are separate. I buy separate. So this one for my bottom. How much is it? Oh, this is have mega value still 97. Expensive than your. You got 2 pair, I got 1, then more than your. Oh my god.
And I've got a much bigger bottom to cover as well.
Oh dear. Ready for holiday? Okay, this is last but not least. No, this is real last stuff we buy. This is the Ultra Protect Face Sunblock. If you're going holiday or you're going under the sun, you must have sunblock. In Malaysia, in Malaysia weather, you need 35 and plus SPF. Okay, let me show you very quick how it smell. Maybe they said for face, not for your body. They are just small. You don't have a smell though.
Why do you want a smelly face?
Maybe just nice smell. Or they don't have a smell, so I think it's fine. Maybe some people they are sensitive with smelly, sensitive with smell, but this is don't have a smell. So very good product and made in USA, I think. Yeah, made in USA. Well-known product.
Banana boat.
Banana boat. So can you guessing where place we going for travel next? Whoever can guess, I bring you ole ole. You know ole ole is souvenir. Souvenir, something from place you been.
Souvenir.
Oh, souvenir. So you just comment down below where place we heading to. If you're correct, I have something for you very special. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel YouTube and follow our page Facebook, Yeyong and Jamie Adventure.
She's gaming board. And her last video was getting a passport. So here's a little quiz. If you guess where we're going next, when we get back, Yong will pick up 3 random people who correctly guessed where we're going and post you a little present. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you in our next adventure.